I have a Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. I'm going to show you how to make the default location when you take a photo or video to your SD card instead of your internal storage. So once you change it to SD card, from there on out, every time you take a photo or video, it's going to be saved directly onto the SD card and not the internal storage, okay? So very, very simple. So first thing you got to do is you can go ahead and open up your camera. You can go ahead and tap on, oh, here we go, sorry. Tap on camera. I never use the icons for the camera. I always just double click the side button here for the shortcut. Anyways, once you open up the camera, it doesn't matter where you are here. Just look on the top left-hand side. You see that settings tab or icon. Tap on that. And then we want to go ahead and we want to scroll down and we want to go down to where it says storage location. So tap on that. If yours is like grayed out, you may have to go ahead and actually format it first, and then you can see you'll be able to have the options, okay? Anyways, you have internal storage by default, internal storage. You want to change it to SD card, just tap on SD card, and there you go. And now every time you take a photo or video, it's going to be saved directly to that SD card, all right? Good luck, guys.